Hello, I'm Ethan. I'm a sophomore. These are my roommates, Mikey and Yanni. This is Walsh Hall. Let's go take a look. This is a Walsh quad, which means I have 3 roommates. Come take a look. There are 2 common rooms, a living room and a dining room, and the commodities provided, like the kitchen, which I use pretty often to cook meals for my roommates and I. Walsh Hall is more of an upperclassman dorm, and it's definitely more spacious than the other on-campus housing. We were provided with a desk, a bed, a nightstand, and a full-size closet for my roommate and I to share. I personalize my space by adding posters and bringing stuffed animals to make it feel more like I'm at home. Come with me, I'm going to introduce you to my sweet mate, Mikey.
I would say that I would love most about living in this dorm is living with my friends in such a big space. Something unique about this dorm that people might not know is that it's almost like a full apartment living off campus, but you have that on campus. One item in my dorm that I cannot live without is my monitor. I use that for everything I work on. I personalize my space to make it feel like home by putting pictures of my family, pictures of my dog, and also putting the Greek flag up. Thank you for checking out my room. Let's go check out the living room with my roommate, Yanni.
So this is our living room. We kind of come here after classes or after do work to wind down, relax, whatever we want to do. We have our record player here with all our vinyls, and we can turn on music and just relax. And we even have sports watch parties here. It's just the most fun room here. We even have decorations. We have posters from all our vinyls, and it's kind of just an expression of all 4 of us in this room. So I would say that this is kind of the most homey room and where we just come to wind down and relax.
Thanks so much for coming on this dorm tour. Click here to watch more videos.